Presenting the 2003 Chevrolet Avalanche. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: pass-through rear seat, intermittent wipers, cargo shade, rear bench seat, power outlet, passenger vanity mirror, daytime running lights, security system, and power driver seat. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.